What's the meaning of Anglo-Catholic? Anglo-Catholic. 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 Anglo-Catholic.
Anglo-Catholic is a term used to describe a tradition within the Anglican Church that emphasizes the Catholic aspects of its faith and practices. This includes a strong emphasis on liturgy, sacraments, and tradition. Anglo-Catholics recognize the authority of the Pope, but do not submit to it. They seek to maintain the apostolic succession of bishops and uphold the teachings of the early Church Fathers. The movement has had a significant impact on the Anglican Church and has influenced the broader Christian world.